Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own family channel and here is very beautiful videos for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe it, like my videos and watch my video till end. This is very interesting for you. And here's a surprise for you in my video. Okay, let's start the video. Today I will tell you how to celebrate the vibrant funky nail paint colors, because funky nail paint colors bring life to you. We live in the world where self-expression is highly valued, and what better way is to express ourselves than our nails. Funky nail paint colors allow us the creativity, break the norms and make a bold statement. They are a symbol of our uniqueness and zest of life. Funky nail paint colors are very unique art in our life, and I have to tell you something more about funky nail paint colors. Funky nail paint colors
Funky nails paint color provide a much needed burst of excitement and fun in our everyday lives. They allow us to stand out from the color, to be noticed and remembering image the joy of walking into a room and having someone's eyes light up as the spot you are painted nails. It an instant stater away to connected with others who you bloodness and creativity for more funky. In funky, nail paint color are more than just a fashion trend. They are a form of self-expression, a celebration of our individuality, and a way to spread joy and positivity. So let's embrace the world of funky nail paints. Explore the handles